Welcome to Finland. My name is Kari Halonen and I will be your host on the webinar 24th of September. Finland has been promoting China already decades, since 1990s, and my own career started in China 2002 when I was working for Helsinki City Tourist and Convention Bureau as a marketing director for a decade. Nowadays I have my own consultancy company, Toolbox Travel Marketing and Consulting, and we are still continuing specialization in Chinese market. Working as a partner for Kotri, having Chinese tourist welcome courses, product development and research work, not only in Finland but also in Russia and our Baltic states. We have 4 different topics during our airing time from Finland. The very first guest is Anu Nylund. She's working for Business College Helmi, which is specialized on guide training. This very autumn we have the first guide training program for Chinese who are living here in Finland. Last year we were having or exceeding 100,000 pet nights from Chinese market, and we are still lacking professional guides, Chinese-speaking guides. So that's why we are having this guide training program. What are the expectations? How we are delivering? How we are processing that training program? That's what we are hearing from Anu. The second guest is Bo Dong, born and raised in China, but nowadays living in Finland, teaching, part-time guiding, and also working at the Helsinki-Vantaa airport with tax-free shopping. She knows very well how Chinese are doing shopping at the airport and also in Finland. She's delivering the latest statistics and also thinking about the development of the shopping. What are expectations? How we should develop shopping facilities more suitable for Chinese guests. Third one is the managing director of Travel Experience, which is one of the biggest incoming agencies. Managing director Mrs. Merja Hart is talking about technical visits. Technical visits from China is a big part of the volume from China to Finland. How we should process, how we should do the product development there, what are the challenges also with these technical visits, we are hearing from Merja Hart. Last but not least, Mr. Chipian Chang from GP Times is talking about social media. Many Nordic countries, Scandinavian countries, is now investing in social media when they are doing a promotion, especially in Chinese market. What are the latest news from there? How social media is developed? What are the challenges for us to do the promotion and campaigning in China? That's GP Times. So welcome to hear what we are offering from Finland. See you then on 24th of September. Bye bye.